I was hooking up the plumbing underneath the sink and I was looking up, laying on my back, and as I was screwing it in, like something fell into my eye. It's still in my eye. Like that?
Yep, and just open as much as you can.
It's still in my eye. It's still in there. Are all done with the house. Well, I have 3 more blinds to put up, but that's it. We just had the photographer come from Homey. He took a lot of pictures, and this is probably the cleanest this house has ever been since we got it, and it's all done. So I'm gonna show you more about it. All right, here is the kitchen. In a moment, I'll show you some before pictures, maybe a video, but we got all new counters. These are quartz. Before it was orange laminate, and then we made it blue, but now it's perfect perfect counters. We got all the stainless steel appliances, the stainless steel sink and faucet. Everything is awesome. The shiplap turned out really, really nice. We got that, and it also accents the island as well on all sides. We extended the counters another 9 inches on this side, so that way you can fit more people around the bar. So now it's gonna be an awesome seating area. And the really, really cool antique lights. They almost look like old alcohol bottles. All new carpet. Before it was like this shaggy brown, it was full of beach sand. It was disgusting. And then when you went up, it was the same carpet, also full of sand. Here is the small half bath downstairs. We put a new vanity in, new trim, everything's white, new LED lights up there. That all looks really good. Everything is now the polished nickel to match everything else. Now we'll go upstairs. This used to be the same color as here, but we went ahead and made it white so it kind of accented the house. White railing going up, which wasn't there. You see the laundry room. Before it had it was the same tile throughout the house, but we went ahead and changed that out just so we can have an awesome area up here. Got a hall closet, and now this, my little pride and joy. This also had that old tile. Went ahead and put all new toilets in throughout the whole house. And a new vanity with mirror, new LED lights. Went ahead and kept the insert, but cleaned it up. It looks really nice. Polished porcelain tile, which this also matches what's in the master. All new trim in here. We have all new carpet. This is Daybreak. Got the mountain views from the west. Kennecott Mine's up there. Our little courtyard. And this was the toughest. New walk-in shower. Used to be a big old tub insert that kind of matched the other bathroom. Went ahead and shiplapped. A little accent right here. Got a little waterfall tile going down the middle with the white subway tiles. Went ahead and shiplapped that wall as well. Looks really, really good. Really bright LED lights up there. Went ahead, this was also old knotty pine cabinet vanity. Went ahead and put a whole new countertop on it. New fixtures. And a little toilet room. New toilet. But this was awesome to put in. This was my first time ever putting one of these in. But it was really, really easy. Cool little light up there. If we check out the downstairs, we didn't do anything to the downstairs other than finish the 4th bedroom. So if you come down here, they're gonna be able to finish this, make it their own. They're gonna be able to add the 4th bathroom right here. They can add a 5th bedroom or keep this just as an open living room. But here's the 4th bedroom that's been serving as my office. Bum, 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 bum. I think I'm just gonna leave the whiteboards up there just so they can see this is a cool office. Dun, 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 dun. This is where I've been working. It's been quite nice. Late nights, I just crash right here so I don't wake up Stephanie. Awesome. All right, so tell us what you like. Tell us what you think. Tell us what we should have done better. Maybe we should have added. They just took the photos. We're listing hopefully by Monday, and hopefully this house is sold by Wednesday. That's the kind of market. We hope that's true, and we hope to be on to our next adventure.
Who's that?
Me.
You say hi?
Hi.